Next comes the third line. Good news. The third line is all completely on the A string except for the last note. So again, you've got your fingers written, and at least for the first note and the first note of the third bar. And well, that's pretty much all you need to know, because you know that you've got your steps going up. So I'm not going to give you the answers this time. I want you to see if you can figure it out. Let's see if we can do it together. So let's get our first fingers ready. A1, A1, or you can use clear tune to tune that first finger to the note B. Bow on the string, and it's going to go like this. Okay, so I'll give you the answers now. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, E. Alright, let's do it another 4 times. Bow on the string. 1, 2, ready, go. Now, before we go on and do it another 3 times, let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bow on the string. First finger down. 3 times. Let's do it. 1, 2, ready, go. Two times. 1. Bow on the string. 1, 2, ready, go. Now, this last time you do it, make sure all your bow connections are very smooth. We don't want we want da 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 da. Let's do it. Bow on the string. First finger. 1, 2, ready, go. All right. Now, on to the fourth line.